10 steps to become a successful digital marketing expert. Step 1. You can create your website with coding using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or without coding using WordPress, which is easy for beginners with no coding knowledge. Step 2. Understand core basics of marketing and why we use digital marketing for companies and their benefits. Step 3. Learn to create captivating content ideas to outshining competitors so that your brand and website will be relevant. Use Canva to create the best content for your brand. Step 4. With over 4.8 billion users on social media, our next step is to learn to create social media campaigns that captivate your audience. Start with learning Facebook/Meta ads using Facebook Business Manager account. Link below. Step 5. Learn how to enhance your business on Google search. Learn keyword research and SEO for increased traffic and leads for SEO. Learn to use Google Search Console. Step 6. Run paid campaigns on Google to drive traffic to your websites and sales pages. Start with creating a Google Ads account. Step 7. Create visually stunning display and video ads that leave a lasting impact. Step 8. Craft captivating emails. Master email campaigns, A/B testing, and insights for top-performing emails. Try using MailChimp. Step 9. Gain valuable insights through Google Analytics and make data-driven decisions for success. Step 10. Lastly, learn from history. See how the big companies do their digital marketing by learning various case studies and put it all together for your brand by crafting strategic digital marketing plans that drive results.